The last piece of music we're going to learn for this session is a good, strong song called the Mini Lament. A lament is a sad, very, very sad, unhappy type song, and minor chords, of course, lend themselves to lament type songs. This is one I've just put together to get you practicing your open chords there, which we should be getting very familiar with the different open chords, but mainly to concentrate on your strumming. What I want you to do is to play it like we did with the Animals song way back in session 3 when we assigned different strums to each bar. We're going to try and do the same thing with the Mini Lament. But first off, let's have a look at the chords. First chord is E minor, second chord is A minor 7, third chord is B7. Back to E minor again, and it repeats that line again, with one bar on everything down through there. Then we switch keys and we put a G chord in there, then a D chord, and then a C chord, and then a change to the A minor 7th, which is very nice and easy because all we do is lift off the third finger. Then after that we're back to a G chord again, then a C chord, a D chord, sorry, then half a bar of C, half a bar of D, half a bar of E minor, half a bar of A, half a bar of C, half a bar of D, and a whole bar of G. So we could quite happily play through that piece just using our classic strum or something like that, but that's not really what I want you to do. What I want you to do is try and assign some different strums to it. Try it on the ballad strum to start with and then put a build up in there and switch to the standard strum in places, and then once you can do that it'll sound quite good. I'll play it for you now with an interpretation, just putting in various strums of the 5 strums that we know, and we'll see if we can't lift it up and make it sound quite good. So we'll try now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ballad strum to start with. Standard here. Ballad again. Ballad again. Still got the ballad. Standard. Build up. Ballad. Classic. Standard. How we managed to lift those chords right up out there, so they start to sound really good, very, very sad, which is what I want you to do. Try and switch the strums like that. Of course it's going to be your interpretation, so you can play it any way you wish, but just try and experiment. Now the other way to play it, of course, is to do away with our standard strums like I've shown you and just try something of your own. The only rule, of course, is that it stays in time. Okay, that's always our rule, and so you can just try something different there. I'll do something now, just trying to apply some different strums to it. We'll see how they sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Etc. there. So that even lifted it up a little bit more again, trying to use dynamics and tension, and just by doing things with the right hand. As you can see, the left hand does very little other than change the chords, so it's a really good example of how right hand technique can make a song into something more than what it actually is.